The late 1980s saw the emergence of rave, a youth leisure scene in which bright clothes, electronic dance music, and the drug ecstasy combined with an anti-establishment, inclusive ethos. For this generation, traditional pubs with their pints, darts and seats was unappealing. To attract young drinkers back into pubs, they needed to change. The 1989 beer orders saw 11,000 pubs being sold to retailers, establishing many of the chains on the high street today. These bars adapted elements of rave, such as loud commercial dance music, and removing seats to allow for dancing. Pints replaced by alcopops, quick to serve and easy to drink while dancing. These bars marketed alcohol with the intent that the drinker would get drunk. Fiona Measham coined the term culture of intoxication to describe this new drinking culture. By commercialising aspects of rave without following through with its ethos, these bars established a nighttime economy in which social problems of disorder have persisted.